Hi there, Chris here with Suki, and we're going to try and pick this true value padlock. And there's the key, works nice. Where's the camera? There's the bitting on the key. So we will use top of the keyway tension. And maybe Suki will help me. You gonna help, Suk? Laying on the Ruko. Actually, it's a Zai icon, which it's not a Ruko. It just looks like a Ruko. But I'm gonna call it a Ruko because I like Rukos. All right, I'm in a false set. Counter on 3. I think I got that. Counter on 4. Got that. Little counter on 1. Got that. Drop somebody down in a very deep false set. That's 3. And we're open. I love this lock. I've said it gives you such good feedback. Anyway, that was just a short, quick pick with Suki. Oh, Suk. Who's taken over the set again? See you next time.